Welcome to VirajeTech online training platform for mastering cloud technologies. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Imagine landing your dream job in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, India, Singapore, or Dubai.
We've already helped over 9,000 candidates secure high-paying positions in CMM Level 5 MNCs, with salaries ranging from 100,000 to 350,000 USD. This is your chance to fast-track your career. Are you ready to grab it? Don't wait. Apply now and step into a brighter future. Today, let's explore Microsoft Azure, one of the world's leading cloud platforms. What is Azure? Azure is Microsoft's cloud computing platform that provides services like computing, storage, databases, and artificial intelligence. It helps businesses scale efficiently without managing physical infrastructure. Why is Azure important? It's highly scalable, cost-effective, and secure. Azure has data centers worldwide, ensuring businesses stay connected globally. Plus, it supports AI, DevOps, and big data solutions. Learning Azure can open doors to high-paying careers. You can become a cloud engineer, solutions architect, DevOps specialist, security expert, or data engineer. The demand for cloud professionals is growing every day. Azure certification path. Want to start your Azure career? Begin with AZ 900 for fundamentals, then move to associate and expert certificators, or AZ 305 for architects. Azure skills are in demand, and this is your chance to grow. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Like, share, and subscribe to VirajeTech for expert cloud training. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about the Azure Cognitivesearch.
Okay, so we are going to learn one of the interesting surveys, Azure Cognitive Search. Azure Cognitive Search, basically, this is the service generally when you are going to any website, okay, and you are searching any stuff, okay. So there is the performance related things is supposed to be come, okay. So how you will handle and to make the things faster. So basically, to make the search options as a faster, you can use the Azure Cognitive Search. Azure Cognitive Search, we can say Azure Search. It is a search as a service cloud solutions that gives the developer API tools for adding a rich search. Okay, like the experiences like a heterogeneous content in web, mobile, and enterprise applications, you can use this. Okay, so basically, what will happen? Your code or a tool invoke the data ingestion, we can say indexing, to create and load an index. So optionally, you can add the cognitive skills to apply AI processes during the indexing. So you can add new informations and structure, which is the useful for the search and other scenarios. Okay. The basically Azure Cognitive Search, this service, whenever you are using your application code, issue query request, handle the responses, improvise the search experience, that purpose you are using. Nowadays, everything is depend on the search. Okay. Everything is depend on the search. Okay. So to improvise that performance, we are using Azure Cognitive Search. Okay. So there are the applications, website. So what you are doing, those website, you can, integrate with the Azure Cognitive Search. So any user, if they are searching anything, okay. So because of the Azure Cognitive Search, like there is a inside that indexing engine. So with that engine, indexing engine, whatever the query you are searching, okay, from your website, whatever the data you are searching, that will come as a faster. So basically, Azure Cognitive Search will help you, to make the things faster. Okay, because in the website, in the application, there are a lot of things will be there, like text, image files, okay, and different kind of the data, blob data, all those things will be there. So when you are searching, okay, see, you go to the Facebook, you go to the Google. When you are searching, okay, you are searching by the image. That also you are doing. So what happened? How you are getting the faster response? Because of inside that there are the some kind of the mechanism will be available. Okay, there is a some kind of the mechanism will be available. Okay, so kind of a cognitive search features, or if somebody using like a different things, so everywhere the search algorithms, okay, in the different form will be there, because in the application we need to the give the customer the faster response. So that's how we need to do that. So now we can go here like Azure Cognitive Search. So how we are going to work, that the hands-on we will go, okay, and we will proceed further in this cognitive search. So now we can go here, we can type here Azure Cognitive Search. So basically it make our website experience faster. Azure Cognitive Search. We can go here. We can create Azure Cognitive Search. So we can define here like the URL locations, okay, those things, pricing, okay. We can go this cognitive search. Wait, Azure Cognitive Search. This one we will take. Here roles, each ones. For all resources, we can go here, create resources. We can type from here. This is coming. Azure Cognitive Search, okay. So they did some changes. So that's why, okay. So we can give here the create the new Azure Cognitive Search. We can define RG, workspace. Somewhere this service is not coming. The cognitive, some sentinel is coming. It will be refreshing. All resources, create resources. Cognitive. The earlier cognitive search is the service. So Azure AI search. I think that one. I think they changed the name. AI search. They put it. I think. Okay. Yes. I think they changed the name as AI search. They put it. So in this Azure Cognitive Search Service. Okay. So URL, the service name. Okay. So we can give the here the create new cognitive search. And service name cognitive search. Location, we can define the location. Let it be the best, or this one we can give service name this VJT. Let's keep that. Then price tier. So till 25 GB. So change the price tier. So we can define the price tier like free. Okay. Make it this free. Select. Okay. And then we can go here like review and create. So review and create. Basically, cognitive search, what it will do, it will make your search experience will be the faster and create. So what is happening?
So, what is happening? So, what is happening now? What is
So now, like our cognitive search is ready. So here you can see, able to see the URL, cognitivesearch.searchwindows.net. So now you can see what we will do and how we will use this. Okay. So basically, like there is the multiple website. Okay. There is the search options is available. Okay. So those things you can deal uh, by this. Okay. So in this cognitive search, what you will do, you will import the data. Okay. So that import the data we will do, and there are some sample data also. So we will define the hotel sample data that we will take it. Okay. Then we can define the indexing and all if we need it. Okay. And we can go for the submit. So now you can see here import the data, import and vectorize data, search explorer. Everything is there. Okay. Now import the data. Then import the data here, no result, add cognitive, existing data source, we can go. So here Azure database, you can integrate SQL Server, Azure Cosmo DB, okay, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake Storage. From that data you can integrate with the cognitive search. So via cognitive search, if anybody is searching by your app, cognitive search are there, things will be the faster. Okay. So we can go to the sample. So in the sample, like real estate US sample you want to take or hotel sample? Let's take the hotel sample, add cognitive search. So we are validating. Okay. Then attach the AI service, add enrichment, save enrichment, okay, or skip to customize target index. So that you can do that. Now we can define here, we can see the, we can configure the indexes, we can manually set up the index creation. Basically, Azure automatically show something that we can check and uncheck, but we are going to use the default indexes here. Okay. So hotel sample index, hotel ID, suggested name. So you can see here, these are the types: retrieval, filtering, sortable, fact, factable, searchable, all those things. Okay. Create. So here you can define, create an indexers. Now you are creating indexer hotel hyphen sample hyphen indexer, and then we can go for the submit. So This is the like a Azure AI search notification. Earlier, the name was the cognitive search. Okay, just recently they changed. Okay. So now what you did, you added the sample data. Okay. So now you can see the indexers. Okay. You can see what the indexers are there. So you can go the properties, uses. So here you can see storage, vector, indexes, indexers, data source, alias, skill set. Okay. So we can go to the indexers and click on our hotel sample index, and we can see that how many documents are loaded. View indexers. So we can see 50 documents loaded, and this is the hotel sample indexer. You are able to see.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then refresh. 1 minute. This is the hotel indexers. So document count is 50. It means it is the good to use. Okay. Now, like we can go here, total sample indexers. Click on this. So now here you can see execution history, settings, indexer definitions. Okay. We can go to the next. You can settings, you can see, you can change the batch size, indexer definitions in the JSN. So this is the JSN definitions. Back to this. And here you can see this is the indexes. Total sample index. 50 documents. This is the storage. And here it is the loading. Like you want to search something in the search explorer, that you can do. See hotel indexes. Okay. So what you want to search here? Search equal to, so in the hotel search. So we want search equal to spa. Suppose that this keyword you want to search. Click on the search. If it is taking here time, you can go data source. Here data source, you can get it. Indexes, indexers, all the things will be there. Now we can go to the overview. There you can see properties. So you can see current quota, those things, uses that is coming, monitoring. So whenever you are analysis your system, the performance. So these are the tools which helping you. Go to the search explorer. So you can see hotel sample indexes. Now we can go search equal to spa. So now see wherever in the data your spa things will be there, you will get the results. Okay. You are able to see in this cognitive search. Now I want to add more conditions. Suppose we can go search equal to spa and count equal to true and top equal to 10. Search. So you can see here count equal to true, top equal to 10. According that the data I will give, suppose that I will give search equal to beach and filter equal to rating greater than 4. So we write this. So greater than 4, we can get it. Search equal to beach, highlight equal to descriptions. See, so according that, we are getting the results. Okay. So what the cognitive search is doing? Basically, your cognitive search, okay, whenever you are searching anything, that it is, make the things faster so that customer is, suppose that any app is there, you integrated with the cognitive search in the Azure cloud with that app. So somebody is searching with the app, then by a cognitive search, okay, things will happen as a faster way. Got it or not? Clear? Now we can go the next stage. See, like whatever we are creating, we supposed to delete it. So here you can go in the resource. Okay. So multiple things will be come on the AI. Build a full text search experience with AI. Those things also it is going on. So we can go here all resources, select this and delete. Delete. So what will happen? Whatever the service we are going to create, we should delete also. That is the Azure Cognitive Search. So like that's it. Now